Udokotela uRamokgopa unxuse izakhamuzi ukuba zibhalise kabusha izigubhu zazo zogesi wekhadi ukugwema ukuphazamiseka kukagesi ngemuva kosuku lwangesonto.
It's not extendable. That's the point I want to make. It's a technical issue. We can't extend it. So it's a hard stop. The 24th, if you have not recoded, then you are sitting with a different problem.
Izakhamuzi zithi azigculisekile ngokushaya ngonyawo lonwabu kwalolu hlelo. Kodwa ungqongqoshe uRamokgopa uthi-ke u-Eskom isebenza kanzima uqinisekisa ukuthi wonke amakhasimende ayabhalisa, kanti isibhalise ngempumelelo izigubhu zikagesi ezingaphezulu kwezigidi ezisihlanu.
And let me tell you, these 6.9 million people did not have to be reminded. All they had to do was to go and purchase, replenish their units. So people who are the majority of people, a significant number of people who are outside this number, are generally zero buyers.
Ungqongqoshe uphinde wathinta nodaba lwesiphakamiso sika-Eskom sokunyusa intengo kagesi ngamaphesenti angama-36 kusukela ngonyaka ozayo.
We will be making intervention that will provide significant amount of relief. What that percentage is, NERSA will make the determination. We will subject to that process.
Isikhungo esibhekelele ukulawulwa kwezamandla nogesi iNERSA iqale izithangami zokulalela uvo lomphakathi ngesiphakamiso sokukhuphula intengo yogesi sika-Eskom ngomsombuluko.